We are at 9605 Starfish Reef. We are in the south part of Las Vegas. It's a great location. What I love about this house, it has 5 bedrooms and it's $925,000.
And if you like entertaining, this home is perfect for you. The living area opens right up to the backyard with a big, beautiful pool, and it has a splash deck if you've got kids.
What I love about this house as well is it has a next gen, which is a mother-in-law's quarters, and it's fully equipped. I can't wait to show you, so let's jump right in. We are at 9605 Starfish Reef. It is a great location, beautiful house, 3,600 square feet. This neighborhood is super quiet. It's in the cul-de-sac. Look how stunning these skies are. And over there, you can have a view of the mountains. This property does have solar, but the solar is paid off, which is great, especially if you're trying to get a loan. It has 5 bedrooms and a fully functional casita. Can't wait to show you that as well. And also in the backyard, I absolutely love the pool, so I'll show you that as well. So we're gonna go ahead and go inside. So over here is the casita. Next gen is the other term for it, and it does have a tall door here to go into the living room area of the next gen. It's a large living room area. And here's the kitchen. Fully functional kitchen. And then over here is the bedroom and the bathroom. Here's the bedroom and the large walk-in closet. You can also put a washer and dryer here. So it's definitely fully functional. It does have access to the garage with extra storage space. Now it does have its own door with its own lock, so you can come and go from outside. So we're gonna go upstairs. Look how beautiful these stairs are. Everything is fully remodeled. Now when you go straight, you have a large loft. What's nice about this loft, it has its own balcony here, which is so nice. It's a great view of the mountains, end of your pool. And then there are the stairs. If you make a right, here's one bedroom. Has this bathroom with the shower, fully remodeled, beautiful. And down the hall here, you have your laundry room, fully functional laundry room here. And here's the primary bedroom. Has the same balcony as well. It's great for relaxing out here. There's one closet for the primary bedroom. It's a nice walk-in. Has the barn doors. Double sinks. Beautiful tub. Has a linen closet as you walk in. And then another walk-in closet. Very deep walk-in closet here with high ceilings so you can add more storage up there. And here's a vanity as well. Lots of room for two people to get ready. Separate shower for easy cleaning. Go back out to the right, down the hall. There's a bedroom. What's nice about these two bedrooms, not only does it have a walk-in closet that's very large, but they both have their own bathroom. So it's a Jack and Jill bathroom, double sinks, beautiful flooring. And their own shower. Everything is nicely remodeled. Here's the other bedroom. Its own walk-in closet as well. So pretty here. 3,600 square feet of living space. The neighborhood is so quiet. As you see, I've been here and haven't heard a noise outside at all. Now this house is fully renovated from top to bottom, and it has a beautiful primary bathroom and bedroom, which has a balcony right off of it. And what I love about this kitchen, it has a giant butler's pantry.
This home is located in a gated community with an HOA of $75. And one of the cool things about this, if you like a small, quaint community, there's really only 2 streets for this community.
This house has solar, and the benefit of having solar with this house, it's fully paid off.
We've done a video on solar and how it impacts you if you are looking to finance the home. So make sure you check that out.
So let's go ahead and recap. This property has 5 bedrooms, a next gen, a 3-car garage, and a beautiful pool. It's fully renovated. You guys gotta come and see this. This property is a listing of Andrew Lunsford at Signature Real Estate Group, so come and take a look. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Our information will be down below, and you guys have a blessed day.